Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Chainlink from XMO to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your Chainlink tokens between exchanges for better security or investment opportunities, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have verified accounts on both XMO and Gemini, as this process requires access to both platforms. Always double-check that your Chainlink is available in your XMO wallet before starting. Step 1. Log into your XMO account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallets or Funds section and select the Withdrawal option. Step 2. From the list of cryptocurrencies, choose Chainlink Link. Make sure you're selecting the correct network, like Ethereum, as Chainlink operates on it. Step 3. Enter your Gemini wallet address. This is crucial. Copy and paste it carefully to avoid any errors that could lead to lost funds. Gemini will provide this address in your account settings. Step 4. Specify the amount of Chainlink you want to withdraw. Keep in mind any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, which can vary based on 2025 updates. Step 5. Review all the details, including the address and amount, then confirm the withdrawal. You may need to complete a two-factor authentication, 2FA, step for added security. After confirmation, the transaction will process on the blockchain. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Once it's done, log into your Gemini account and check your wallet to confirm the Chainlink has arrived. A quick word of caution: always stay vigilant against scams and verify fees up front. In 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so keep an eye on exchange announcements. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Chainlink from XMO to Gemini. This process helps you manage your assets more effectively. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.